Buenos días, buenos días. Look at no. Look at the board for you do now. Buenos días. Buenos días. Buenos días, buenos días. You know it. Buenos días. Look at the board for your do now. Take those Chromebooks out, please. Look at the look at the board for the do now. Buenos días. Look at the board for the do now. Buenos días. Look at the board for your do now. Not you.
Not me? What do you mean not me?
Let's move. Go to class. Move.
Yes, I had to Ramaz.
No.
He's my blood brother.
No.
He's my brother.
Go to your class.
Whoa, I thought you were-
Buenos días. It's on the Chromebook. Nope. Buenos días. Look at the do now. Look at the board for the do now. Buenos días. Look at the board for the do now. Buenos días. What's up?
Was there a white hoodie? Oh, can I get it?
Yeah.
Oh wait, that's mine.
Buenos días. Look at the board for the do now. Buenos días. Look at the board for the do now. Nine. Buenos días. Look at the board for the do now. Buenos días. Your do now is on Class Kick. Buenos días. Buenos días. Look at the board for your do now. Buenos días. Buenos días. Look at the board for the do now, please. Buenos días. Look at the board for the do now.
You see I'm going class.
Buenos días. Look at the board for the do now.
We're about to be late in this hallway. Let's go.
Take those Chromebooks out, please. Doesn't you see it over there? That's fine. Yes. Exactly. Morning. Take that Chromebook out, please. No. Well, it's telling you it's not because it's red, right? No, I'm just explaining to you how the platform works. Kaylin's here. Jackie's here. Nicole's here. Carson's here. Amaja's here. Azaria's here. Zion's here. Isaiah's here. Yamila is here. Violet is here. Demalade is here. Janine, Kamaya, Lamaya, Ismael is here. Julia May, Lorraine's here. Logan is here. Trinity is not. Ben is here. Desaria's here. Lanaya is here. Ben is here. Aberdeen's here. What? That's because the do now is graded manually. Yeah, so don't worry about that overall score. Worry about the slides and sit over there. Number 16. Duolingo. Have you done with that? All right, guys, we are going to get started now. Can I get you to pass these out? Thank you. All right, can I get a volunteer to welcome the class, please? Azaria, go for it.
Bienvenidos a nuestra clase de español 2. Hoy es martes el 2.
Oh wait, sorry. Hold on 1 second. Do the bottom one more time.
Hoy es jueves el 4 de septiembre 2025.
Thank you. 2 claps on 2 for Azaria. 1, 2. Thank you. One more time. 2 claps for Azaria. 1, 2. That was way better. Okay. Our objective for today, we're going to be able to identify and describe telling time. This was supposed to be a review for us, but now finding out that you guys didn't get the chance to learn telling time in Spanish 1, correct? No, you guys didn't do telling time? Then this is going to be new content for us today, and I'm going to treat it as new content. So that's why we're taking notes, okay? Questions? All right, we are taking guided notes. So everything you see on your piece of paper is going to be up here on the board, okay? Exactly how you see it. Everything in green, you copy down on your paper, okay? So it's guided notes. For our active ticket, by the end of today, you should be able to form a phrase in Spanish telling time. So for example, if I want to say it's 5:20 a.m., you're going to be able to say son las 5:20, 5:20, 5:20 de la mañana a.m. Or if it's afternoon, de la tarde. Or if it's at night, de la noche. Okay? So do you understand the color code? Yeah? You see how it correlates? Okay? So that by the end of today, that's what you're going to be able to do. Are there any questions about that? No? Okay. Our agenda for today, we're going to be taking notes. Then we're going to practice our notes with a couple activities, some more collaborative than the others. Okay? All right. Notes. So when number 1, so we're all the way on top. Number 1, ¿qué hora es? What does that mean in Spanish? What time is it? So if I'm asking you, ¿qué hora es? Now you know what I'm asking, right? So I'm asking you what? What time is it? So please write that on your end. Remember, everything in green you write. All right. Now we get to the good stuff. Okay? Now we get to the good stuff. We have here analog clocks. Hopefully you guys know how to read these analog clocks. What time is this right here, Violet? Is what?
Oh, sorry. 1.
It's 1 o'clock, right? Because the shorter hand is the hour, the longer one is the minutes. We don't talk about that, no. Let's just forget about that, okay? All right, so if I want to say it's 1 o'clock in Spanish, I'm going to say es la una, okay? Es la una. Okay. You would think, but for 2 o'clock, after 1, it changes. So, son las 2. For 2 o'clock, son las 2. Hold on 1 second. So right now, we have 2 different ones. We have es la una, son las 2. I'm going to give you one more, okay? One more. So, what time is it here? 3. So I'm going to say son las 3. Son las 3. Hold 1 second. Son las 3. Okay. Now, I want you to take 1 minute and with your group, talk about what do you believe comes next for 4 o'clock. Do you believe it's es la, or do you think son las comes next for 4 o'clock? I just need you to 1 minute, talk to your group about it, come up with an answer. I'm going to select a group to give me an answer, okay? And then you're going to discuss out loud, okay? Are there any questions? Ben, what are we doing right now? How much time do you have? 1 minute. Go. Debate. Hmm?
So we found out what's this?
Yeah, so you're discussing what do you think comes next? You guys discussed already? What do you guys come up with? Okay, so give me a reason why. Come up with a reason why you think it's that. You guys discussed already? What do you come up with? Okay, and you guys discussed why do you guys believe that? So, because I need a why when I ask you guys up there, okay? You guys discussed already? Come on, you guys decide. You guys know why you decided on that? Oh, then if you don't, come up with a why, okay? Yeah. All right, that's about a minute. Thank you so much for collaborating with each other. I'm gonna need an answer. I'm gonna need an answer. That bad group. What did you come up with? It's out loud, please. Son las. So you say you think 4 o'clock is son las. Why do you believe that?
I believe that because to me it seems like the only one that changes, the only one that's different is Es La Una. Es La Una. So it feels like the rest would change.
But why? Why?
I just thought the rest would change.
But why?
It
It's a feeling that you have.
I don't know, because I saw like Son Las Dos, Son Las Tres, and I was like, what would be different about Son Las?
So what is there? Okay, good job. So what is different between these two and this one? What's the difference? That's what I'm asking right now. No? Can someone help him out? Go, Julia May. Thank you. So 1 is the only number in the clock that's what? No, singular. Every other number is what? So that means every other number gets son las, right? Good job. So son las cuatro. Can you guys copy that down? Son las cinco. Son las seis. Son las siete. Son las ocho. Son las nueve. Son las 10. Son las 11. Son las 12. All right, take like 30 more seconds and then we'll continue. All right. So for number 3, we already went over that. You guys came up with the answer. The only one that's different is la una, right? It is 1. Why? Because after 2 is the grammar changes. They are 2. They are 3, right? In English, that would be the case. All right. In Spanish, we have 2 ways of saying 12 o'clock, just like in English. In English, I can say the 12 o'clock when it's at night or the 12 o'clock when it's in the afternoon, right? So what is the 12 o'clock at night? What do we say? Starts with an M. Violet.
La noche. Well, de la noche.
No. In English.
Oh, at night. In the morning.
What?
Well, 12 in the morning.
No. Violet, right now we're doing number 4, okay? Don't look at the rest of the notes. What is one way to say 12 o'clock? What is that? Thank you. That is in noon is a one way we say it in English. What's the other one? The nighttime one.
Midnight.
Thank you. Midnight. That's exactly what we have in Spanish. So noon is medianoche or midday, right? I don't think we use midday anymore very much, but that's what would translate to. It's midday, or it's midnight, which we say es medianoche, midnight. All right. So again, midday and midnight. So now there are two ways we can say 15. One way is by just giving me the number. 15. Son las 5:15. It is 5:15. When I ask you guys, when we're doing the one-on-one conversations and I ask you, ¿qué hora es? What am I asking you again? And you can just give me if you see the time here, just give me the numbers and you answer the question, right? So what am I going to start off with, my phrase? Son las 23. And you answer the question and you got an A, right? Easy. So keep it as simple as you can. And right now, the simplest way is by giving me the time and just the numbers. But in Spanish, we use other words. So instead of saying 15, I can say cuarto. Cuarto. Copy that down, please. Cuarto. Not to be confused by cuatro, because cuatro is the number 4. Cuarto means a quarter. And why would we say a quarter? Because 15, Azaria? Yeah, 15 is a quarter of an hour. And that's why we can say in Spanish, we can say it is 5 1/4. We don't say it in English, or sometimes actually older folks might say it. Or like Azaria said, it's a quarter past, right? Like people say that. So that's why we also could say that. So the bottom part is the same thing though, okay? So 15 or cuarto. It's just a second example. So, for example, son las 9:15, it is 9:15. The number 4. No, the number 40 is 40. The number 4 is so similar to cuarto that you guys will get it mixed up sometimes, right? So if I want to make this a 4, the R has to come after the T. Cuatro. But this says cuarto. Okay? All right. Next. Oh, my laptop is dying. Okay. Next is 7. So when I want to say 30, I can just say the number 30. What's 30 in Spanish? 30. Again, keep it simple, and you will always get the correct answer. Or what's the 30? What's the fraction in the hour for 30? Half, right? So that's what we say in Spanish too. Media. Son las 4:30 or las 4:30. All right. Take 1 minute. Can you do number 8 on your own? Come up with the correct answers. Hint, there's more than one. Okay? Circle the correct answers. Hint, there's more than one for number 8. What do you think is the correct answers? use cognates, context clues, and then we'll go over it together. Okay, did you guys get this? Yeah? Why wouldn't it be son las 4:30 Aberdeen? So it is 4 and a half and 4. Like we don't say, like in English we wouldn't say that. Oh, it's 4 and a half and 4 to say 34, right? It's 4:34. If I want to, if it's 30, if it's not on the dot 30, we say the number, right? We don't say and a half and 4 more minutes after that, right? So that's why this one's not correct, okay? But if you see the last one, son las 4:30, so it is 4:30 and 5. It looks weird because there's like a lot of Y's, right? But that's actually, this right here, 35, is actually how we say the number 35, right? So this Y belongs there, no matter what, right? So, and this belongs here because it connects the time with the minutes, the hour with the minutes. This one? This one? What about it? It's 4:30, right? That's a half. But we just can't say half and 4 more minutes. If that's the case, then just say 34. All right, and then number 9, I'm going to give them to you because this is new to us. So if you want to do the AM or PM part, we're going to say de la mañana for in the morning, de la tarde for in the afternoon, de la madrugada if it's early in the morning, so like around 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., that's madrugada. And then de la noche in the evening / nighttime, okay? These are important. These are super important because this goes at the end of the phrase, right? Remember our exit ticket? It says de la mañana, in the morning, de la tarde, in the afternoon, de la noche, in the evening / night. These are important, okay? All right. We're going to do 3. Go to the backside. We're going to do 3. I'm going to do 3 examples with you. And then you're going to do the rest of those other 3 on your own. The first one, what time is the Malade? What time does it say here? Each one of the Malade. Each one of these is 5, right? Thank you, the Malade. Thank you. It is 4:30. So if I want to say 4:30 in Spanish, can someone, do I have a volunteer to give me it in Spanish? Son las 4:30 or son las 4:30. Please copy that down. You copy this down already? All right, the next one. Kamaya, what time does it say up here? in English? $11:30. How would I say this in Spanish? Can I get a volunteer, please? Ben.
Son las 12:30.
12 means 12. Oh, thank you. 11. Son las 11:30, or to keep it simple, just give me the number. Son las 11:30. Yes, other Ben. Oh, okay. Ben. Okay. The last one I'm doing with you is this digital one up here because I need you guys to complete the phrase, okay? So, we know how to say 317. It's 317, right? So we're going to start with what? Son las. And then 3:17. But we're going to finish it off with AM, which in this case is what? Yes. So AM. So son las 3:17 de la mañana / madrugada. Okay? If it were PM, if this was PM, I would say what? De la tarde. Not, because 3 p.m. is not quite night, right? So we say, so when it gets murky, it's going to be around 6, 7, depending on what you consider nighttime.
I consider nighttime like 5 o'clock.
Oh no. Is that when you go to sleep too?
Yeah, it's a leap, but you need like a leap off.
Okay, now that you have this one, I need you to complete these next 3 on your own. You have 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes. Please complete the rest on your own. You have 5 minutes. Are you done with this? Let's get to that. One second. Violet. Yes, no. Yeah, no. Did you do this one already? Yeah, let's not do that right now, though. No. No, for this. This is something's wrong here.
Oh.
What's that? Like between like 12 a.m. and 3 a.m. Like that's super early. But we don't really use that word, so you don't have to use it. If you say mañana, it counts. Yeah. Yes.
Son las 11:25. I mean, 30.
35.
Okay, so it's Y.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. You just, I know you guys get like it gets like a little weird. You get weirded out seeing so many Y's, but that's the way it goes.
So this
And
is how you write it.
exactly, perfect. And then now add the de la and then PM. Yeah.
This would be this for this.
Perfect. Looks perfect to me. What's that? Yeah, that's good. That's good, but you forgot your ending, right? Your ending is gonna start with that. Like that, right? Okay, so PM would be what? No, that's AM. PM would be de la. Tarde. Okay. So keep going. Finish them off. Mm-hmm. How you doing, Logan? You good? Let me see. Okay. You took Spanish 1 word here?
Yeah.
With Miss Salgado?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. All right, guys, let's go over them. I can see most of us are done. Kaylin, you can go to the restroom. All right, so for 2 o'clock.
Son las dos, right?
Hold on 1 second. What's that?
Son las dos de
De la tarde. Good job. Son las 2 de la tarde. Can I get someone to raise their hand, volunteer for the next one? 603 Azaria, go for it.
Son las 6:03 de la mañana.
Perfect. Son las 6:03 de la mañana. And now Ben, go for the last one.
Son las 11:35 de la noche.
Son las 11:35 de la noche. Very good job. What's that? Oh yeah, no, it's nighttime, sorry. Close though. Questions about this? No? Okay. We are going to skip over this collaborative slides and go to a Kahoot. So please open up those Chromebooks. All right, your link is up there. Please use your name that I can see on Gradebook so I can put the credit in there for you. I'm missing 3 more people. I'm going to give you about 20 more seconds. I'm missing 1 more person. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, the first couple ones are quizzes. The first 10 are quizzes. The next 10 are puzzle. Like a quiz, like a multiple choice. Ooh, good job, guys. Good job. Okay. Actually, I forgot to mention one more thing. In Spanish, they sometimes do a little bit of math to tell time. Okay. So, for example, if it's 9:45, we tend to go up an hour
and then go down 15, right? Yeah. So instead of saying son las 9:45, we go up to what's the next hour? 10. So we go up 10. So we say son las what? 10. And then we minus, so we say menos, 30, or no, menos 15, which in Spanish is what? 15. Or what is the fraction here for 15? Cuarto. So, or we say cuarto. Yeah. So if we ever do that, we go up an hour and then down whatever minutes they tell you. So son las 10 menos 15 or menos cuarto. Okay? So you'll see this in here somewhere. Please be mindful of that.
Is it going to be a lot?
No, just a couple. Son las 12:10. Good job. Son las 3:15, not to be confused by the number 4. Like I said, not to be confused by the number 4, and yet 8 of us got it wrong with that number 4. All right, next is son las 5 menos 25. So you go up an hour and down how much? No, 25. It says 25, Ben. It does not say 15. I'm missing some answers. Those math skills. Up and then down, yeah. No, that is if it says 15 o cuarto, menos 15 o cuarto, yes, 15. But if it says a number, you go down that number it says. And it said 25, 25. Son las 2:30. Good job, 2:30. Next. Es la 1:12. Ben, let's stop those commentaries. Don't be trying to manipulate people. Oh, really? Oh, really? Oh, Amaz, really? Let's go. I'm missing some answers. Good job. Son las 11 en punto. En punto just means on the dot. It just means on the dot. Good job. 11. Son las 3 menos 5. 5, ¿ven? If it's 3 minus 5 minutes, that's 2:55. You get it? Okay. We'll see if you really understand it with the puzzles. Let's go. Son las 4:10. Yeah, this one's an easy one. Why? Good job, guys. 4:10. Next. Uh-oh. Put them together. Put this phrase together in Spanish. Oh, you only changed two things.
Wait, what do you mean? What am I supposed to do?
Oh, I see.
You need to drag them in order from top to bottom.
I don't know what I was expecting, but
Good job for those 18 people. Son las 2 de la mañana. It is 2 a.m.
this game.
Next. It is 1:30. Good job. Es la 1:30. Next. It is 6:18 p.m. Good job. Son las 6:18 de la tarde or / noche. It is 7:50 a.m. Good job. Son las 7:50 de la mañana. Good job. Son las 5:30 de la tarde. It is 11:15 p.m. 15 is a quarter of an hour, right? Son las 11:15 de la noche. It is 1:24 p.m. Good job. Es la 1:24 de la tarde. It is 8:35 a.m. Oh no. Azaria, you have your charger? Okay, let's go. Charge it. Good job. Son las 8:35 de la mañana. It is 3:02 p.m. Good job. Son las 3:02 de la tarde. It is 9:45. Do a little bit of math here. Actually, the order's up there already with my example. My writing, right? At 9:45. Ben? Oh no. Son las 10:15. It is 10 minus a quarter, which makes it 9:45. This is the last one we're going to do. All right, good job. That's the last one for today. I'm going to give you guys a 5-minute break now, okay? So make sure you just stay in your seats, relax, put your head down if you need to. Help you? 1 second, let me put these. One second. Nazaria, go. Move. You can do it for 5 minutes. Oh. You didn't do the do now? All right, hurry up. No. You know why not? I already did. We already did that. What's that?
You help me understand the you go up and go down.
Yeah. What about it?
Like you go up.
You don't need to learn how, you just need to learn that we do that. You need to learn that you don't need to ever use it. Because just keep it simple, just give me the number. Like if it's 9:45, just say son las 9:45, right? Keep it simple. You're never gonna use that yourself. But I do need you to know how that we do use this. Okay? And the way we use this is you go up an hour. So if you see a 9 here, you go up, and then you minus however you need to minus in an hour to get this number. So how many do you need to minus to get to 45? Huh? No. How many minutes are in an hour?
70.
Violet, you know that's not correct. How many minutes in an hour? What's half an hour?
60 minutes.
What?
60 minutes in an hour, right?
Yes, 60 minutes in a. If you don't, so that's the problem actually. You don't know how many minutes are in an hour, so you're not gonna understand that. How many minutes are in an hour? 60. If there's 60 minutes in an hour, if we went up, but we need to go down to 45. What's 60 minus 45? Can you pass these out, please? One each. All right, let's go back to our seats, please. What? What? If it's an emergency, you know what to do. Let's go, guys. Back to your seats, please. And I'm going to need those Chromebooks closed in 3, 2, 1. Thank you. And now I'm going to need your attention in 3, 2, 1. Okay. We're going to do connect the dots. just like we did it for the numbers, but now we're doing it for time. Okay? I'm going to repeat it twice and only twice, and I'm moving on. I'm just assessing your listening skills right now, okay? So just do the best you can with the 2 repetitions that I give you. Okay, we're going to get started with es la una. Es la una. It's all the way in the bottom, guys. 1 o'clock. We're going to get started with 1 o'clock. Es la. The only number in the clock that gets es la phrase is 1 o'clock. Right? Es la. If you hear es la, you automatically should know it's 1 o'clock. But if you hear son las, then you need to figure out what number I'm saying afterwards, okay? Okay. All right, here we go. After es la una, we're going to go to son las siete. Son las siete. Son las siete. After son las siete, hold on 1 second, guys. That's what I'm trying to look at. Hold on. I am trying to, hold on. Yes, you're looking for 7. It's the one that looks like 706, guys. Sorry. I don't know, like that 0 looks. Carson, did you find what number did you find? You found it? What does it look like? Okay, thank you. All right, next. After that, we are going to son las 8:35. Son las 8:35. After son las 8:35, we go to son las 12:15. Son las 12:15. After 12:15, we go to son las 3:30. Son las 3:30. Sure. After son las 3:30, you go to son las 4:15. Son las 4:15. After 4:15, you go back down to es la una. Es la una. After es la una, you go to son las 9:40. Son las 9:40. After son After son las 9:40, you go to son las 3:45. Son las 3:45. After las 3:45, you go to son las 9:30. Son las 9:30. Or son las 9:30, right? Okay. Next, you go to son las 9:25. Son las 9:25. After son las 9:25, you go back to es la una. Es la una. After es la una, you go to son las 8:20. Son las 8:20. After son las 8:20, you go to son las 10. Son las 10. After son las 10, you go to son las 2:10. Son las 2:10. After son las 2:10, you go to son las 2:55. Son las 2:55. After 2:55, you go to son la, or es la, es la 1:30. Es la 1:30. After es la 1:30, you go to es la, or not, sorry, you go to son las 5:30. Son las 5:30. After son las 5:30, you go to back to es la 1:30. Es la 1:30. After la 1:30, you go to son las 4:40. Son las 4:40. After 4:40, you go to son las 11. Son las 11. After son las 11, son las, or actually, let me give you the term I gave you guys on your notes. Es medianoche or es mediodía. Either one works for that time. Es medianoche or mediodía. Or I can say son las 12. After that, after son las 12, you go to son las 7:10. Son las 7:10. After las 7:10, you go to son las 6:45. Son las 6:45. After 6:45, you go to son las 5:50. Son las 5:50. After 5:50, you go to son las 2:15. Son las 2:15. After las 2:15, you go to es la 1:05. Es la 1:05. After 1:05, you go to son las 8:15. Son las 8:15. After 8:15, you go to son las 3:25. Son las 3:25. After las 3:25, son las 10:50. 10:50. After 10:50, you go to son las 3:25. Back to 3:25. After that, you go to son las 6. Son las 6. After son las 6, you go to son las 10. Son las 10. After son las 10, you go to son las 11:15. 11:15. After 11:15, you go to son las 5:30. Son las 5:30. After 5:30, you go to es mediodía or medianoche, or son las 12. After son las 12, you go to son las 2:15. After son las 2:15, you go to son las 10:50. And after las 10:50, you finish it off with son las 11:15. Son las 11:15. And hopefully you guys got a submarine. So, and this is what you should have gotten, right? Please write your name on your pieces of paper, no matter what you got. Please write it down so I can give you credit for this. All right, before you get on those Chromebooks, please close those Chromebooks for now, please. Okay, so I'm going to give you the exit ticket a little early today, okay? Because I do need you guys to finish it, okay? So you are going to go to slides 4 through 6. Because we do have time, please get them done. Hold on, guys. I'm still talking. I still have some. Okay. Thank you. So now that I have everyone's attention, once I let you go, you're going to go back to the same class kick you did the do now on, but now you're going to skip over to slides 4 through 6. Please get them done in order, 4, 5, and 6. Do not skip, okay? 4 through 6 on today's class kick. You're going to have the remainder of the period to get that done. Yamila, what are you doing for the rest of the period? Thank you. Today's class kick. If you're done early, Ben, what do? Duolingo, okay? Are there any questions? It is silently, independently until that bell rings. You may pack up when? 1 minute before the bell rings is okay with me. But stay in your seats till that bell rings. You may get started. Go. Did I lock it? No one has said anything, though. All right, it's unlocked now. What's wrong? It's too fast for you? All right, when C-Day blocks come around, can you sign up for my C-Day block? I want to do it just one-on-one, just so I can give you credit for it, okay? All together, yeah. Keep on. What? Salud.
trying to see.
It's, hold on, look. Es la 1 de la tarde. What's de la tarde? AM or PM?
PM.
Okay, that's all you need to know. Boom, perfect. Oh, okay, you got it. You have questions? You good? You good? Good. Question. Mm-hmm. There you go. You need to add whether it's AM or PM, just like you have in the
Oh,
example.
okay.
You see, so
Yeah.
it's what de la.
Turn it PM.
There you go. And now the rest, same thing. For slide 5, you do not need to go beyond the perforated green boxes. If it doesn't have a perforated green box, you don't need to do it anymore. Okay, just do all the perforated green boxes. Just put morning. That's 4. What's that? Hmm?
I said, I don't know.
No? Remember we went over that? Like, don't get this one confused by the number 4. So this one means as what? A quarter, right?
Yeah.
A quarter of an hour. What's a quarter of an hour?
25,
No.
30,
No, that's half an hour. What's half of 30?
15.
That's a quarter of an hour. Okay? What's this? Huh? No, that's 4. What's this? Remember? It's a fraction. What is it? Po cuarto means a quarter. Okay? So what's a quarter of an hour? That's half an hour. What's half of 30? So that's a quarter of an hour. Yeah, it's wrong. You spelled the number wrong. This number is spelled incorrectly. Oh. There you go. Yeah. Mm-hmm. No. What do you mean with the Q?
It's like when you make that sound.
Oh, when like a quarter, you mean? A quarter starts with a Q, yeah. Yeah, that's in your notes. Look for them in your notes. What you need help, Carson? You're good? You're done?
Yes, sir.
So what do you do now? Duolingo? Or you can get the rest of those slides done as well too.
You said we don't gotta do these, right?
If it doesn't have a box, you don't have to do them.
How did that ring?
It's not nighttime. 3 a.m. There could be 2 different ways. It's either this one or this one, right? Mm-hmm. Good job. Okay. So what does that say? Es la 1:30. Okay, what about it? What? Mm-hmm. What's media? No. It's half of an hour. What's half an hour? Media. Middle. Media.
Oh.
Mm, 30 minutes is half an hour, right? So it's media. Well, there's no S at the end of tarde, right?
Um, if you guys, we have approximately 8 minutes in here. If you have not started on the slide 6, please skip over to slide 6 and then go back to the other slides, okay? So right now is the time to skip over to slide 6 if you haven't done so. Get that done, and then you can go back to the other slides.
Okay, Duolingo. What? Almost when? What's your almost? No, there's 7 minutes left. That's not almost.
Or you can get the rest of, you got the rest of all the slides done in that? Okay, do the other slides too then. You too. No, we did it together. You can just do the Duolingo. Actually, can you collect these for me, please? Make sure your name's on the flower that we did. I have Desaria collecting them. No, it's 1 p.m. de noche. Where are you going? No? We don't leave at 30? Mm-hmm. Let's go. Work on your Duolingo.
Duolingo now. Or the rest of the slides. You pick. Mm-hmm. Son las tres. Yeah, so far so good. You just need to finish it off, just like right here. You need this part. It's AM. Which one? Which one are you gonna use? If it's AM. Yeah. Yeah. So you got everything correct except the grammar. right? So on here, every single one starts with son, las, right? Except one, right? So you need to remember that because that's going to be on the test, okay? I'm getting a class set of headphones for all of us. Okay, so once that's here, you guys can use those headphones and use the Duolingo out loud. For Duolingo, yeah, and then intrinsic email. One second. Did that work? 1 second, Nicole. That means quarter because the R is before the T. If you want the number 4, the T comes before the R. But everything else was correct. No, you didn't have that on there. Mm-hmm. Yes, Nicole. Yeah, just start from the beginning. Yeah, do the placement test. Stay in your seats. You may pack up. That's for you. You keep your notes. Keep those notes. You might need them for your test, quiz. If you don't keep them, you can't use them. Yeah, when the unit's done, not for another like at least 3 weeks. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you so much for your hard work.